आज आमी हिंगा चोयता की total there is a collapse of law and order. It is coming to that now. People are agitated. Authorities must understand that whichever the authority is there, the central government or whoever, they cannot at their will enter heritage areas and ancestral properties and do construction without even intimating the owners. They are encroached, criminally encroached, criminally trespassed and encroached these areas. And today what we see is gross violation of every act in the land. Now what are these laws for? Let us be like the Wild West. That is what the government, I think, is thinking. The PSI was here. We appealed to him to, at least ask the RVNL to maintain a status quo. He is saying, no, I have got instruction from my higher ups from the deputy collector not to stop any work. When the land is violated, the deputy collector is also supposed to be part of he is a government servant. He has to come and to look into these issues. He has to come on the ground, not sit in his office and decide for matters for the public, local population. And so, Zorian kam chalta inga Velsao. Private property encroach kon झाड़ कातोले माड आले हिंगा माड उडयले नाच केले माड देखून नाही एक पॅड दिसपणा माडाचे एक लाईन याचे लाईन आले ती माड उडयली झाड उडयली हांव म्हणटा कितें चलना लोकांक गेले द ओनर वॉज हियर दिस मॉर्निंग शी कन्फ्रंटेड द RVNL she confronted even the PSI, asked him what is going on. He is saying, no, I have order. There is order from RVNL to, we don't know, we have never seen any such order. And there is another important thing what I want to tell the public is there is no land acquisition in this area. Land acquisition much. So how is this thing is taking place?
Recently, to me, deputy collector could make representation about same thing.
Oh, we are given countless this, and now recently we have given all the landowners. This landowner was not involved because there is no land acquisition here. There is no land acquisition of this area. Land acquisition is happening on the west of the railway, existing railway. This is the east of the railway, existing railway line. So they have started work here. So we don't know what's going on.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
He's a local.
Yeah, किती सांगू शकता काम चालू आहे
ते स्टॉप कर म्हळ्यार स्टॉप कोन्हे पुलीस येयले तांकां स्टॉप कर म्हणून सांगले तेंगले आयकलो ना सो आतां ते रावताय आम कितें एक्शन आम कितें वॉयस रेज करूंक पडटलो आनी अशें करून हें जायना सदां आमी हिंगा पोत आमकेन हें जाता त्रास जाता अशें करून आनी आमगे काम सोडून पोत हिंगा येवपा पडटा सो मागता मातशें सिरियस एक्शन घेवचें हेजें.
Just brief.
Yeah, overall, I would like to say there's total collapse of law and order. The Chief Minister can do nothing about it. I don't know. The Deputy Collector also should take some actions and listen to the voices of the people, because it's not right to trespass somebody else's property and get the work done and then afterwards. This is like total gundagiri. The Goa government has collapsed. I don't know where we lead from here now.
जर अशें काम केलें विलेज कितको डॅमेज जावं शकता because
yeah, the vibrations, the sound, and most of all the coal pollution.